happy boy. Sticker. Warranty card. Safety precautions. Addendum. I can't read Japanese. Wow, it's heavy. Back plate, the base roll off and the presence boost. That's the anti-jock plate. So once you have it set, you put that on and you can't mess with it. You get the second windscreen as well. Little Velcro straps for holding on the windscreen. Adapter for the boom. Velcro strap. So I got it from Thomann. Way cheaper than I could get it here. Free delivery, came in 5 days. But you only live once, right? So a couple of weeks have passed and we have the SMB up and running on all the audio gear. Before I bought the SM7B, I went ahead and I bought this DBX 286S, because this thing needs quite a lot of gain, and I'm very pleased. I've only started to play around with the EQ now. Getting very, very good reports with this so far. Still some work to do on the EQ. I reckon I can get a bit more fidelity out of it, but that will come with time. So was it worth the money compared to the BM800? Yes. You can hear it straight away, even in the monitor when you're listening. The quality of the audio is, there's just no comparison. The BM800 is very good for what it is, and for how much it costs. And I would still thoroughly recommend the BM800 to anybody that wants to go down the route of having a studio type microphone on their setup. So very pleased with my purchase so far, and the boom arm does manage to hold it up. I just had to tighten a couple of the little adjusters on it there. I had to tighten those a small bit, and it holds it up quite well, so we're very pleased with it, and thoroughly recommend the SM7B for amateur radio work. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of unboxing video. I don't really do many of these, so thanks for watching, and we'll get you in the next one. Been a while since I uploaded. I've just been busy, a lot of stuff going on, so that just the way it goes sometimes. So thanks for watching, and we'll get you again in the next one. This is George, EI7 Kilo Oscar. Bye bye.